There are probably dozens of browser extensions installed across your fleet right now that your security team never approved. Some of them are reading every page your employees visit. Extensions sit between the user and the web. They see form inputs, passwords, session tokens, sensitive documents. Installed in seconds, no IT ticket, no review, no approval. One compromised extension, and you've got an insider threat you never hired. And without fleet-wide visibility, you have no idea which extensions exist, let alone which ones are dangerous. The Chrome Readiness Assessment maps it all. Every extension, every version, every device, surfaced and categorized across your entire organization in one view. Immediately identify unapproved, high-risk, or outdated extensions before they become your next incident. Then Chrome Enterprise Premium locks it down. Allow list only approved extensions. Block installations from outside the web store. Force remove anything that violates policy. Silently, at scale. See what's really running in your browsers. Download the Chrome Readiness Assessment today. The link is right in the description.